Hey Mopar Nation, Stage 2 RT here again. Hey, I just picked up the Mopar Performance Brake Kit. It's not the big brake kit. It's OEM sized rotors that come with the car, but they're a little bit better. They're upgraded a little bit. They got the slotted rotors, just better quality. That's the front. That's one of the rear. Paid just over 400 bucks for them. You got the instructions, the new bolts, you have your brake pads, the clips, everything comes with it. And you use your existing calipers. You don't change the calipers out. Found them on one of the Mopar websites. Again, just over $400. I think it'll look pretty good. I'll make a video later after we install them. And here's the part number. You got P5160048 rotor pad. Again, my rotors were getting kind of warped. I turned them once, couldn't turn them again, so thought I'd go with this. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'll make another video after we get them on, or as we're getting them on.